Hello and welcome back to another AutoCAD beginner's command tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use the fillet command. What actually the fillet command does, we will use 4 different methods or 4 different examples. Just to give you a quick overview, we have here drawn 2 lines, and as you see, they are in 90-degree here. But using the fillet command allows us to create an arc on the edges with a specific radius, which we can specify that radius as well. Here we have a sharp corner, and here we have a rounded corner. So to cover the 4 methods, each one by one, let's start. First of all, allow me to draw a line. Simply go to line from here, and then I want to draw another line with random dimensions from here till here. So to activate the fillet command, you can either go all the way up here to the ribbon and hit its icon, or we can simply type F for fillet, enter. I prefer to use shortcuts, it's much faster. Now, right click and go to radius to specify the radius. I want for our first example it to be 0. Enter. Now, select the first line and then select the second line. And as you see, this time we used the fillet command and we were able to connect 2 different lines. But we did not create the rounded edge, which we specified to do so. That's because we choose the radius to be 0. But again, if I choose F, enter for fillet, and then right click to go to radius, and this time I choose the radius to be 1, enter, and choose from first line, second line, and as you see, I was able to create a rounded edge, which is an arc with a specific radius. Another example would be, or our second method would be, here, allow me to draw a rectangle. Now, this rectangle is considered to be, it has 4 sharp edges. Simply type F, enter, right click to specify the radius, let's type 2, and as you see, choose the first line and the second line, and the edge gets a rounded shape. So if I draw a shape with polyline, for example, 10 units by 5 units by 10 units, and then CL for close, enter, okay. And now to activate the fillet command, this time instead of using F enter, the shortcut, let's one time use it's here in the ribbon by clicking on its icon. So I have activated the fillet command. I want, as I know this is a polyline, I want all the corners to be filleted at once. So right click to specify the radius. I want to go for 1.5, enter. And then here in the command line, you can choose polyline or simply P, enter. And now go over the rectangle we drew with the polyline, and as you see, all the edges get filleted at once with an arc that has a radius of 1.5 as specified. If you want to fillet a shape but also keep the original boundary, there's a way to do so. So let's draw a line and choose fillet. Radius is 1.5 because we said previously. To try to fillet these 2 lines but also keep this sharp edge and add the arc to it, we go to the command line, click on trim, and choose, by default it's trim, choose no trim, click on it, and now choose the first line and choose the second line, we get the filleted corner, and we also still keep the sharp edge. So we learned 4 methods to use the fillet command. If you learned something, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button in order not to miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Goodbye.